We're out here at Sunshine West this morning and we got plenty in the workshop. Come and take a look at what we got. This 906 is in for engine light and limp mode. We've been through the basics, but it's got multiple error codes for low voltage to the engine sensors, so that needs a bit of diagnostics. Next, we've got this 903. It's actually a four-wheel drive model, and that's in for a front right drive shaft replacement. Next, we've got this 906 here. That's come in with steering problems, so when the customer steers to the left, it actually binds up, so that's going to get a new steering rack. This 904 here, that was towed in with no drive. We had a look underneath and the tail shaft is broken. All four of the bolts have sheared. This 903 camper van, this one came in driving forward but not backwards. It wouldn't select reverse. This has actually got the rare sprint shift transmission, so that's a semi-automatic. We had a look underneath, it was leaking oil everywhere. We topped up the hydraulic fluid and it started selecting gears again. So we're going to have to fix that leak and also check the pump and the valves and make sure they're healthy. This is another Sprinter which is in with multiple error codes for low voltage to engine sensors, so similar to the other one. This Sprinter has come in for an A service and rear brakes, plus over here it's got a damaged door. So the bottom door roller here is actually broken in half, so that will need to be replaced. The tricky thing about these bottom door rollers is that they come with all the electrical wires for the central locking and also cables for the locking mechanism. So to replace them, they're about this long. You have to take off the inner panels of the door and also lift up this step panel. So there's a bit of wrestling involved. This is a Toyota Kluger, so not a Mercedes. As a unique offering to our fleet customers, we work on some of their non-Mercedes vehicles. This one is having the front left CV joint replaced. The rubber boot on the CV joint actually split and it sprayed all of its grease inside the wheel well here. So that'll get a new CV joint. Got a fleet crafter here. This one's come in for a timing belt, water pump, so that's getting put back together. And it's also getting some new brakes at the front. So out in the car park, we've got a bit of variety. We've got this nice C-Class wagon that's owned by Jun. We've got this E-Class Diesel here. Now, this one has had a bit of work to it. It originally had a limp mode. We've replaced a faulty exhaust gas temperature sensor and also cleared out the DPF. Limp mode is fixed, but it's still got the engine light on the dash because it has two faulty fuel injectors. So they're next to be replaced. In for a service, Over here, this is a CLS and it's got the 4-cylinder 651 diesel engine in it. It's really low mileage, looks very clean. One of our customers wants to buy it, so we're going to do a pre-purchase inspection on it for him. So we've got quite a bit of variety here today, and this is going to keep us busy for quite a while.